Hi, I'm Dan Miller from the Oyster Bay Boat Shop, and I just wanted to show you guys our new product. We got a phone call from the guys at the J109 class, and they're having problems with their Harken Mainsheet swivel base. They were actually taking the cap that comes with the factory part and tearing the pin through the top of it and damaging it, and it wasn't working for them, so we decided to go to the computer and design up a new cap. The original one had a whole bunch of holes in here, and we've used a solid piece of Delrin, which makes it much stronger. We actually put it onto a dynamometer and pulled it to 4,000 pounds, and it didn't break. So it's plenty strong. One of the biggest concerns is people are going to ask is, hey, can I do this conversion myself? It's really easy. So the first thing you do is you start off with the new cap, as I've got shown right here, and you load up all the balls in here, and you put your 4 screws sticking through the top. I put the screws in there because it makes it a little easier to pick it up. Then you'll start off with the new bottom base that's going to be supplied in the kit. You put the ball bearings in there, and you put the new clevis pin in there as well. Slide this over to the edge of your thing, and put the cam arm, like this, upside down, on top of this, and pick it up by the 4 screws. Now when you go to flip it over, you're probably going to drop some of the screws, as I'm sure I'm about to do, and you want to make sure that you just keep the balls in there. Even if one of the screws falls out, it's not a big deal. The other thing to keep in mind is that on the bottom of this, there's a peg. This peg, don't put it between these 2 ears. You want to keep it on this side of the ear. So I'm going to swing it around like this, and I'm going to line this up, and it goes over the pin, and I'll rotate until the screws drop down just like that. So now these 2 pieces are put together. I'm going to reach over, I'm going to grab a hold of the bottom base. I'm going to get the screws lined up so they're sticking out of the bottom, just like that. And then I'm going to come over to my Mainsheet base that's on the boat, and I'm going to take this, I'm going to line the screws up like this, drop it down, and as you can see, I haven't screwed it down yet, but basically this swings back and forth with no problem. This should solve your problem. This has got a new 1/4-inch clevis pin, and there's a U adapter right here that'll go on top of this with a spring and the current Mainsheet system that you have right now.